Hey, my friend, how are you? Okay, I hope you're okay. This is my place. No pictures on the board yet, but they're coming soon. Not a lot of light in here, but I have Spanish blood, so I have darker eyes than you do. I like to cut my hair short because I'm Buddhist. And today's been good. I tried to get my SIM card for my phone, but you can't get a SIM card like in Vietnam that easy for some reason. So I think I'll probably just wait till I get my work permit. 7-Eleven has Wi-Fi. Very funny. Like Special K would have Wi-Fi. Um, that's about it. I think I'm just gonna study like all the nouns for Chinese, like noodles, chicken, water, yes, no, because they're not understanding my tone's not right, or I'm not speaking loud enough. I think because I have a soft voice. So, anyways, so this, okay, I made this on, it's called Screencast-O-Matic, and I'll send it to you. But you can do it, I think, on your phone too. So, anyways, I hope you're okay. If try to tell me if you understand everything, but I spoke pretty slow. I speak pretty slow. Okay, how was work? And say hi to your family and your husband. Okay, bye.